Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through our webinar on automating your SEO reports. We will explore how to streamline your reporting process and deliver helpful insights to your clients. Let's start with the importance of categorizing keywords. Organizing your keywords is crucial for clear and effective client reporting. Open Seodity rank tracker. Now, select the keywords that you want to categorize. Then click here and add your category. It could be existing category or the new one. And confirm category. You can filter those keywords by category here. Just click Add Filter, Category, and select the category you want to filter by. Then click Apply. Okay, let's go create a new white label custom report template. So let's go to the report section. Add new report and create new template and click Save. Here we can customize the logo and company name that you can see here. Okay, let's add new section. We will add the rank tracker section, so select the rank tracker and average keywords position chart. Change time frame, maybe last 30 days, and filter by category you want to show to your client. And click Apply. You can also make the presets from these filters, so it will be easy to select the filter you want to show to your client. Now add the new section. So we will show to our client average keyword position table. Again, change the time frame and filter by category. And apply. We will do the same with the keywords table. And don't forget to change the category you want to show to your client. So you can easily customize the columns here. So if the language and location is not necessary, you can remove it. And you can add, I think it's important, change column. We can also filter and sort on those columns here. So let's sort by change. And click Apply. Okay, now we have the template. So save the template here. Yes. And we can generate the PDF by this report, or we can automate those reporting process by schedule time. So let's select it here, and frequency. This is the month report, so change to the monthly, and we can change the day. Every Thursday will be great. So we can send it by email. Save report. Like you can see now, this report is scheduled on the first day of the month. So each month our client will get this report. So basically this is how we can automate our reporting process. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for today. Bye bye.